Hey, Tyge and Christina here from Demo to Reno.
We are currently giving our home some much needed TLC with the help from MasterStroke by Resene, and today we are tackling our son's bedroom.
This room sure has a lot of character, which we love, but it's super tired, and I tell you what, this digger wallpaper needs to go.
And all we know is we want to use a deep blue, and it's kind of as far as we got.
We're gonna need to head down and see the team at Resene. We need some help.
So today I'm tackling my son's bedroom. He's 7, but I really want this to be a room he can grow into. So we're gonna do half wall wainscoting.
That's beautiful. What a great idea.
Thank you.
We've got timber ceilings, all the joinery is all timber, as well as we've got wallpaper halfway round.
So normally you'd want to use a stripper of some kind, just to help remove the glues from behind it so it strips off quite nicely.
Yep.
For the ceiling, the varnish, typically you would want to use the waterborne shore seal here. That will help hold onto the timber so that you can put subsequent top coats on there.
Maybe something in amongst here.
Yeah, this one jumps out to me.
Okay, lovely.
I think that's really beautiful. And
Fantastic.
this one here.
Okay,
Yeah.
wonderful.
I know which one I'm leaning towards, but I did promise my little guy I would let him have a say. It's his room. What's your favorite color, firstly?
Blue.
Blue. Out of these colors here, which is your favorite? Yeah. You like that one? It's called bunting.
I like bunting.
So we got the tick of approval from our son, and we've gone with the color Resene bunting.
But before we can get painting, there's a whole lot of prep work that needs to be done.
The thing about this room is the entire ceiling is that varnished wood. It involves a lot of sanding and a lot of prep work. He's a bit taller, so it's a job for Tyge.
While I'm sanding the ceilings, I've got her basically doing everything else.
Sanding and prepping the windowsills, the skirtings, and all the doors.
The next job on the list is wainscoting. Now this is essentially getting box trim and putting it on the wall, and it creates a really nice feature. Before we apply the top coats, we prime the walls using Resene Quick Dry and the ceilings with Resene Waterborne Shore Seal.
To paint all the trim, we use Resene Luster Acryl Semi-Gloss in the color Resene Black White. Taking the ceiling from wood to white using Resene Space Coat Flat in the color Resene Quarter Black White was the biggest transformation.
The finishing touches to the walls involved us applying Resene Space Coat Low Sheen in the color Resene Black White to the top half of the walls.
And on the bottom half of the walls, we applied Resene Xylon Sheen in the color Resene Bunting. And that pop gave us everything we wanted in this room.
Christina's absolutely nailed the decorating, and there's no question at all that our son is gonna absolutely love this room as much as we do.